In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can get Japanese display name on Roblox. So let's dive right in. So to get that Japanese name, like me, what you can do is, after opening the same URL, roblox.com, and logging into your account, click on that gear icon that's showing right upper side. And from here, open settings. It will take you to this page where you will get this account info. Now, you can see that my location is same. To change that name, you don't need to change your location. You can remain as it is. Then open new tab and simply search for English to Japanese. Search it. It will open up this Google Translator where in the English tab, you have to type your username or the name that you want to change into Japanese. So I'm writing here this one. It will automatically convert your English name to Japanese in this second section. After waiting a while, you can see here, it has converted our name into this Japanese. Now, we have to copy that. Click on that icon to copy it. It will copy to your clipboard and now open your Roblox account and click on that display name pencil icon. You can erase your previous name and simply paste the new one and click on that save button. After waiting for a while, you will find here this saved successfully and our name is successfully changed. So that's how you can get Japanese display name on Roblox in just few easy steps.